This 5-minute solution will show you how to download Grammarly on laptop for free. You can easily download and install the Grammarly app on your laptop computer. Just follow these simple steps. Open a browser and type download Grammarly. Open the first link, Grammarly for your desktop, and click on Get Grammarly. It's free. And to download Grammarly, first of all, you have to create an account here. You can use your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID to create an account, or you can also create an account using your email address here. Once you created an account in Grammarly, you will get this interface. Now click on Apps, and here you will get Grammarly for Windows. So click on Reinstall or Install to get the Grammarly installer in your laptop computer. Once it's downloaded, click on it to open the installer. And as you can see, the Grammarly has been successfully installed in my laptop computer. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.